Today, I'm excited to be interviewing Nick McMahon, the founder of Enterprise Asset Solutions, which is an IT asset disposition and recycling company based in Omaha, Nebraska, for those organizations that have embraced either partially or in whole this remote work approach. What are the best policies in your view? Again, I know you're not an attorney, but if I'm one of your clients and I ask you, what do you think I should do? How should I handle this? What would be your advice?
My advice would be always recycle responsibly. Follow your processes. If you're looking to change your process, reach out, see what I can do to help, or see what your current ITAD provider can do to help. If that involves changing the way you do business to something where you're having the user ship it to your location, and then your disposition provider is showing up and picking them up, and you're not currently doing that. Or if that's working out an agreement with a company like mine where the user ships the computer directly to me for disposal, you really just want to evaluate it. Talk with your legal team and your compliance team if you have them. Make sure that what you're doing is going to follow data compliance and stuff like that. Some industries have, telecommunications industry has a lot of stuff with what's called CP&I, customer proprietary information.
Okay.
Where are there compliance concerns with that? Maybe not with the remote user's laptop, because everything's stored through cloud applications, things like that. But those are all things you have to consider as a business. Again, like you said, I'm not an attorney, but I can help you with some of those processes in terms of, if it's not working the way you're doing it, let's evaluate what I can do for you.
Right. And what I heard you say, the summary statement would be continue to take responsibility for the recycling of that equipment.
Absolutely.
Probably that involves ship it back to us or ship it to our known provider. Someone is going to dispose of it appropriately and protect your confidential information that possibly might be there. That would be peace of mind, as well as be a good neighbor, right?
Yeah. I've also seen some companies use your tools at your disposal, like Intune, remotely wipe that computer. And some employers have said, well, we'll sell this computer to you for $10. And then their viewpoint is, because they sold that computer, they no longer own that asset. So that helps them out too. But obviously, you're going to want to talk to your individuals that are in charge of handling your tax compliance, things like that.